Hi everyone, and welcome to Introduction to VFX with Houdini series, Rendering, Lighting, and Shading. In this class, we will explore how to take advantage of the powerful rendering engine inside of Houdini. You will learn everything from setting up your first render to exploring the different ways you can optimize your rendering experience. We will also look at how to use the various lights and lighting setups inside of Houdini so that you can create realistic lighting environments for any scenario. Lastly, we will learn how to create and apply high-end realistic shaders with minimal effort, as well as learning to create custom shaders that can work for any specific look you are going for. I'm excited for you to get started, and I'll see you in class.